I went with that emblems on the hood stands. Oh, damn. I didn't even peep that it says Post Malone in the grill. Is it full carbon fiber too?
ShotBy, what's happening with y'all, man? Okay, tell me this thing.
We gotta go back to Dayton. We gotta leave Kobe here. I don't know if you guys remember from.
This the life I chose. Get it till I ball out of control. Running through the city with my rules. Tell me that I'm living wrong, but bitch, this all I know. This the life I chose.
Anyway, what's up, YouTube? ShotBy, we're back with another video out here today in LA, and damn, we're leaving this Airbnb, which I don't think I recorded much of it, but like, unless you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, then y'all seen the view and stuff pretty much a lot, because I posted it like all the time, because like, look at it, bro. Just look at it. You got the pool. We actually ain't even get in this pool at all, but yeah, the last pool. We ain't gonna say nothing about that, but anyway, like I said, we're going out to the next Airbnb, which is in the heart of Hollywood, they said, since this is my last day out here in LA, because I fly out tomorrow. So we putting the bags in the car.
Downtown.
Got the merch on. Yeah, it's a Hollywood Boulevard, so, you know, and we got the merch on, as always, to represent our channel. Support cut. Oh, and sad news, we did take the Infinity back yesterday. Damn, yeah, this ain't gonna work. We did have to take the Infinity back yesterday, which sucks, but we still got the Alfa Romeo, which is dope.
3 more days, actually.
3 more days, okay. Mural over there. Nice little anime look to it.
As an anime fan, I recommend it for everybody.
But now we out here trying to get our daily Starbucks dose of coffee or whatever you want to call it. Since they do have a Starbucks on every corner. Literally every corner. Finally got our coffee. But you know, that's damn near a fire department. It is. Oh damn. LAFD.
They are everywhere.
Big ass fire truck.
LA is too damn big, bro.
So the coffee's now gone. I need a trash can. But anyway, there ain't no trash can around here. But I guess we about to head out to a special treat for y'all, which is West Coast Customs. And cause it's only like 10 minutes down the street, so might as well head out there, get some footage for y'all for that. Or for y'all of that. And then that should be dope. So basically when we get there, I'll cut the camera back on as usual. And hopefully we can see some dope cars. And we got the Challenger. But I don't know, man. I'm gonna cut the camera off. We'll see. That's that BRZ that smacked the curb.
Dumbass.
That's Popo right there. Uh-oh, man. Here we are pulling up to West Coast Customs. Got the wrap Tesla. Ooh, look at the wrap on that too, man. I can't wait to get out and look at that. We in the Alfa Romeo, man. I'm weak.
Patient ass kids.
That's dope.
It's like some stuff you put on your grandma's wall. But on
Yeah, this is dope. I like that.
I rock with it though.
I like that. That's hard. Yes, sir. I think, is this the door right here? Entrance? I'm guessing. It says entrance. West Coast. The beginning, 1993. Hey, this is crazy. 2004, 2006. But look at that. And back there though, they got some old schools. And then 2014, the present day. Check this out. The ice cream truck.
Okay. What do you say, Mr. Cartoon?
Yeah. That's crazy. The detail in that paint is crazy.
That's literally art.
This is dope. It's full carbon fiber too. That's crazy. Oh, it's definitely a West Coast Customs car. They got their emblem all over it. This is crazy.
Girl, what is this?
Oh, that's crazy. Oh, is this something you put in your house or something? Oh, it's probably for a picture. For you sit down right here and take a picture.
Hey,
Got the Mario Kart.
I'm ready. I want to drive the boat.
All these really drive too. They're all fully functional.
Yo.
Hey, Zion.
Hey.
Was you chilling with your I ain't seen a pair of spinners in like 10 years.
That's crazy. Got the doors that do go up.
You can see the hydraulic set up and everything on the weed.
The original Barbie Mini Coupe, bitch.
This is a dope car.
Alcantara interior. That's crazy. You got the speakers in the door.
Speakers in the back though.
They got them back here for us?
Post Malone's apparently.
No way. Diamond, this Post Malone's truck. It's Post Malone's truck.
Posty was riding with the bang in the back.
This Post Malone's truck for real? That's crazy.
Posty had the system.
For real.
You know he wasn't carrying groceries.
Okay then. This is like a crazy Tesla type concept right here. I don't know. You put
I can't even say the name on the back. It's like IAMAUTO. I don't know what that is, but it's
Amato? A Muto? I don't know, man. That thing's crazy.
I am auto, technically.
Oh, Amato? I don't know how you.
Oh, they work, but
They fully functional. That's crazy.
what I'm gonna do is open this up though. That's not me.
This is literally a Tesla with like a crazy body kit on it. It looks like. Man, this is really from the future.
This is Post Malone's Bronco.
This is dope. Oh snap! Damn, look at this car from over here. Damn, that car looks crazy. That's really hard. Then we got the Mini Cooper with the. Oh God.
Was it the Swarovski crystals?
Something.
I think this is the one that was on TV. The owner's wife, or something like this.
The
It's
owner.
all crystal top.
They got the white. Look at the seats, custom seats.
Whose wife is really driving this dog? I wouldn't even touch this one.
And it's manual. That's what I'm talking about.
But you without even a handle. That's crazy.
Got the Gladiator out there. Nice wheels on it. Got the Plymouth Prowler. Oh, they got this too.
You got the Honda Civic.
Right, the Honda Civic just chilling. Whatever this is. Ford. This is hard.
These are newer seats though. But it's clean though.
Yeah, this is dope. I didn't even peep that it says Post Malone in the grill.
Didn't you? That's the first thing I picked.
You got the post on the wheels.
Look at the seats.
This is crazy. Where you at though?
Right.
No, I'm just playing.
Why is this car here?
Hey, fun fact, this is Will I Am's concept car.
What?
I Am Auto.
No way. This is the car will.i.am had to make?
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy.
Everybody says online it's kind of but I really feel like it's hard though.
It's sweet. I wonder what the interior looks like. I knew it. It's a Tesla.
That's a Tesla Wi-Fi.
Yeah, basically. Why didn't we think of that? I am auto, will.i.am. Duh. Why didn't we think of that? Obviously, that's will.i.am's car.
Apparently, it's under $500,000 for this car. So
Over or under?
over. It's about at $700,000 right now.
$700,000 for this car right here. Wow. And it's all functioning too, so which would be crazy.
So you can really pull up on the scene.
Cause like they had to redo the whole body line on this car. How? I have no idea. That's crazy. That's dope.
Mm-hmm. Definitely, bro.
I wonder who car this is then.
This is probably one of the coolest builds I've ever seen.
No, I can't get like literally this whole body on this car is carbon fiber. The whole body. Everything.
The light setup though, that's what got me shook.
Has this thing ever been on the road? Damn.
Probably. They probably have drove it.
They cleaned the road before they went.
This is hard.
Yeah, the light setup behind it's crazy too. Yeah, that's dope, man.
Reminds me of like a wide body Lotus.
I think they talked to Elon Musk about that too. I think they talked about some shit like
That's crazy.
that. Let me see.
So this is what the interior was supposed to look like or something?
Mm-hmm.
That's dope. Has he actually driven this before?
will.i.am?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's driven these cars. There's pictures of him with his white one too.
I peeped that one.
But like, I think once he just kind of like is done with it after a while, and he's just like, all right, you guys keep it and just show it off here.
That's crazy.
That's a lot of money.
Yeah. Oh no, it's crazy. Some of the people here, ridiculous amounts of money. Like one guy leaves
There
his
you go.
Ferrari here for us to show off.
Really?
It's in the back. It's a
These are all the cars that they've done.
Yeah, probably like 15 is good for the front too.
Insanity.
So for something
That's
like that, I
crazy.
think
At least the
for
concepts
first,
that they've
full
done.
car window tinting, we have our professional guys do it, and they use a really nice UV protecting tint.
That's
I think
crazy.
For window tint, that can be around like.
So apparently, yeah. So this car and that car are both will.i.am's car. That's Post Malone's car.
That's my best guess.
That's Mario's car.
For you if you want.
2 will.i.am
But it should be
Teslas.
around
But it's called the
there. But
Rocket.
it's a really nice tint.
And there's a little booklet on here that he said that we could look through, which is dope. I wonder how much a t-shirt is.
Oh, right here.
Oh,
Okay, yeah.
normal t-shirt prices, I
God's
guess.
plan. That's that I'll wear. It'd be a wrap.
Yeah, that's crazy, but I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I am about to buy me a coffee mug. I got to. So should I get a blue one or a black one?
Blue.
Blue, man. I like black though, man.
Then why ask my opinion?
I don't know, bro.
Why
'cause
ask my opinion?
the blue looks sweet, so I don't know, man. The blue looks sweet, so the black is sweet though too.
I'm getting the pink one.
Exactly. So why ask my opinion? I'm not playing these games. I'm not playing these games. All right?
Yeah, I'm about to get the black one.
I'm not playing these games.
I'm getting the black one and I'm getting a plate.
Someone's ready to take your card yourself and start working on it.
Do I really need another mug while I'm out here?
Huh?
I'm kind of broke. Do I need another mug?
$13. I'm broke too, bro, but it's $13.
Yeah, but I'm still gonna be stuck out here for a couple months.
Take the bumpers off.
They got to be like, nigga, you ain't been in no
You get the California plate.
no West Coast.
You'll be like, what the heck? Man, I owe you.
So, dude just said we could take a picture in the Mario Kart, which is dope, bro. It's in the car. Here, just use my phone. Just here. We gotta take a picture of the Mario Kart, man, for real.
Okay.
He said step over. But I'm gonna go ahead and hand her my phone so she can take a picture. All right, man, we're about to head out, man. This was dope. Got my coffee cup. We got our pictures in the Mario Kart, man.
You guys take care.
Shout out there. All right, man. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it.
Take care.
All
Thanks
right,
for
see you
stopping
guys.
by.
Thank you. No problem. Have a good day, man.
Take it easy.
Yeah, thank you. This is. All right, we will.
Yo. What is my mic?
That's dope, man. Hold on, wait. I want to sneak peek real quick. What's back here? Got the Smurf in there. The low rider. Corona low rider. Oh, snap. Yeah, that's dope. All right, man. We heading out. This was a fun experience. They was very welcoming. They gave us 10% off on the coffee cups and stuff for being YouTubers out here recording a little promotion.
They cool people though.
On God, they cool, and they gave us 10% off for filming and all that. On God.
For you doing your thing.
Yes, sir. Pays off.
I hope you switch it out for blue.
Huh?
You didn't switch it out for blue.
Nah, man, I need the black one. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Basic.
Basic.
I don't like blue. I don't like blue. I'm sorry.
So you don't like Uncle Snoop?
This LA, you don't like Snoop?
Wow.
Damn.
You don't fuck with Vince Staples?
I'm just saying, as a personal color. Oh, woo! What the hell is that? Hey, look, he flew. I know the camera's seeing it. Look, it's a pokey bug. Oh shit! Get in the car.
This thing tight for real. Nah.
So you
Man.
pulling?
Yeah. All right, man. We heading out. I don't know what we got planned next.
We gotta
bro.
head to the mall real quick.
Head to the mall. All right, we can head to the mall, and then we just gonna, like I said, cut the camera back on periodically. So see y'all whenever we get to where we're going. Is he gonna hit it then? Go get him. Go get him then. He said, who might make a noise on my block? Oh, and we walking towards the Lambo truck. That's what I'm talking about.
Where are we going?
A Lamborghini truck. We just chilling, man. I went with that emblems on the hood stands. Oh, damn. LeGree Fitness Studios. Hey, this shit crazy.
This is y'all sponsorship card though? Y'all get a heat
Like,
a quote or something, dude?
man,
Like,
y'all go out and get a Lamborghini? The fast track to fitness. Huh?
This is the mall we came to.
It is the same one?
Yeah.
Well, damn. I was wondering why it looked familiar.
That's the Cartoon Network sign.
Oh yeah, that's what that's what gave me away. So man, finally after being locked in Sears, man, we found them all.
I don't care what nobody say. This mad shit.
Is it a Starbucks in here?
Huh?
Yeah.
Another Starbucks. I'm weak. I want some hot coffee, bro. I ain't had no hot coffee since we've been here.
Fuck hot coffee. We in California.
Man, I need hot coffee. It's tradition, man. It's tradition.
It's hot though. But it's hot.
But it's hot in Ohio, and we still drink hot coffee.
I'm going to H&M.
All right, thank you.
This place too big to be looking.
Bro, I still want my black or my Nighthawk Citizen watch, bro. For real, bro. I want one so bad. It's a 3-story mall.
Yo.
I ain't even peep it.
What? Bro, all you gotta do is look up. That's mall. Mall on top of mall. On top of mall.
Autos. Oh. Ain't that, yeah, it's a shoe store. Rose Market.
On week they have fashion over here.
Whack.
I feel like it's a store.
We about to grab some food out here from Charlie's Philly Steaks. I don't know what I'm about to get, man, so I don't know what sounds good for real. Probably might get a just regular Philly cheese steak. I can't talk. We got Panda Express last time and that was not that good. Not that good at all. Finally got our Philly cheese steaks. Hold on. Yeah, if I can get this damn box open. Appreciate it. Okay, man, it looks smacking, But we up here on top of the third floor of the, I don't know what it is, Burbank Town Center.
Generous with the bacon, yes sir.
Generous with the Philly cheesesteak.
But yeah, it's hot up here, but we got a nice little shady spot.
Something slight.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the camera off so we can go ahead and eat this and get back to whatever we got planned for the rest of the day. All right, y'all, here we are at the new Airbnb down here in Hollywood. Nice little setup, man. And we can smoke in here. On God. Well, I'm trying to see what the balcony hitting for. Oh, you gotta walk out. Duh. Okay, then got a whole balcony out here. Damn, and they got a pool down there. Bet. Hey, niggas, we got a pool. I said, we got a pool.
Downstairs?
Yeah. See what else we hitting for. Damn, they got the bathroom. Bedroom 1.
It's 2 bathrooms in this bitch.
Damn. The balcony goes into the center. I wish we had an outward facing balcony though, but it's cool. Nice little dope spot.